Hey up. So I've actually been out before I do this run with Matt Inslee, the old nemesis, and you can see sweat from chest strap already because weather's turning a bit nicer now. But today I'm going to be doing another episode from the Wharncliffe Trail Series I've been doing based on the trail maps from trailmaps.co.uk. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. But first, just wanted to respond to a couple more comments. One actually from Trail Maps themselves, nice one for that. Saying nice one, bro. Also from Cool CMSC that mentioned it's good to see some tracks in Wharncliffe because he's not ridden there for years, and said this series is fantastic. So I don't know about that, but cheers for that, man. And also a comment from Damon Jones that said, I'm sure I saw you riding up trail. That was when I was going to get episode 3. So I actually got recognised by someone I didn't know, so finally made it. I've made it! Nice one for that, pal. Not going to quit my job just yet, though. But if you want to see today's episode, stay tuned.
Whew, what? Hey, hope.
Hey up, welcome to the channel. Today I'm riding with Inslee, aka the Giraffe.
Hey up.
And this is New XC Descent. Ready when you are, mate. Bit of soft mud, but it's not bad, is it, this? I'm gonna get it this time. Yep. Yes, yes. Good little bit of tech, that. Good little feature, that as well. Not too steep on this one, but gotta keep your wits about you. Alright. Oh, he's off. Good bit of tech on this one, but I didn't actually consider it to be that tricky compared to some. There used to be a rock there, didn't there? Pick your front wheel up. Some others like maybe turnips or XC Descent. Not bad with those stones in now. Pressure. It is tricky though, isn't it? Yeah. Get ready for this drop now. Hopefully front wheel will stay pretty solid. Stay off that front brake. Right then, do this bad boy. Oosh. Nice. I think it's first time I've been off that. Let's try and catch him up here. So tricky staying on pedals sometimes with it. Got to keep more momentum up, I think. Sometimes to make it a bit easier. Speed is your friend. This is new. Little section. It's like they've blocked the other section off so you can't ride it. Just stay on for this one. Oh no! Slippy that. Off canvas fell away so your front wheel gets washed out. Nice one. Better that one, it. Oh, good one that. Cheers to Inslee for that one, aka Giraffe, because he's like a giraffe, long and tall. But yeah, wanted to make sure I got a run in with Matt. We've done a few races together. Sometimes he's nipped me with his times, sometimes I've nipped him, so a bit of a nemesis thing going on that some lads like a bit of banter about. So it was significant, not particularly that trail, but definitely to get one with him. And New XC Descent is running all right. It's a lot warmer now, so things are getting easier to ride. A little bit slippy in places, but I hit a couple of points on that I've not done before following Matt's line. Difficulty wise, I'd probably say that if you've seen any of my previous videos that Blow Dog is more technical than New XC Descent by far. I started off with probably the wrong trail. It made, you know, it were a good run down Blow Dog, but it was a little bit premature compared to Pub Run or some of the ones I might be getting before it. But we did get a decent run. I'd probably say if you're a beginner, you don't want to be starting off with something like that. If you've never rode a mountain bike before, you'd probably want something like Pub Run where you can take it easy. You don't really have to navigate your way through. There's like a couple of little steeper chutes and stuff on New XC Descent. But it's definitely a good trail if you want to start hitting some techie stuff and you're not wanting to fully commit to some of the trails where you've got to, like, once you're in, you've got to just keep going because you can't stop and you're just kind of like guiding yourself down. So let me know what you think to that one. If you want to follow any more episodes on the Wharncliffe Trail Series that I'm doing, drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Nice one.